Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing another Halloween video, and it's going to be the last to close up my Halloween Inspo series that I create every October. So in today's video, we're doing pop art makeup. It's going to be super easy yet super cool and super pretty. Perfect for low-key trying. You could wear this with any outfit whatsoever and it'll go. You could do whatever you want with your hair. You can wear a wig. You can do so many things with it. It's all lines and precision. So I'm going to walk you step by step on how to do this and how to achieve it. Super simple, super quick, and super pretty. Before we get to it, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I have my dogs here with me. They're chewing on some bones. So that's how I keep them busy. So let's get started. So first we're going to start with basic complexion. So grab a foundation, whatever you want, doesn't really matter. I'm just going to grab the KVD, the Apple foundation, just because it's what I have close by and I really like that. So I'm going to use this with a brush because this works way better if you use a brush. This is the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush, which is an absolute must. Super inexpensive and super good. I'm going to put this in my face. For concealer, I'm going to use the Natasha Denona concealer. This is in the shade 6NY, and this concealer sets pretty quick, so I'm just going to do one under eye at a time. I'm going to use my Real Technique Deluxe Crease Brush. Just going to start buffing this into the skin. I'm going to set the face with the Milk Makeup Blur and Set Powder. So I'm just going to set everything. Bring it down to the neck. I'm going to bronze a little bit the skin, not too much because pop art doesn't really have bronzing stuff, but just for keeping it all together. This is the Item Beauty in the shade Mood. Brush everything just a tad. Now with the CoverGirl True Blend Hot and Frenzy Blush, a little bit because this is super pigmented. I'm just going to put this in the cheeks. Okay, so this is where the real makeup portion of this video will begin. We're going to start with the brows because that's basically the whole frame of the whole makeup look. So just grab a spoolie or whatever and just brush your brows. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to paint all over them with a eyeliner or brow pen or whatever you want. You can create an outline first to create like sad brows. So I'm gonna do this starting from right here, bring like a little flick upwards, and then connect it like a little loopy thing. And just outline. And then under as well. There. That's just the outline. Now we're gonna go in with some eyeliner to make it really like I'm using the Estate. This is the liquid liner. It's just black liquid liner. And I'm just going to go over what I just did with this. Now that we did the brows, I'm gonna keep using the liner. This is gonna be basically the prime character of this makeup. We're gonna do a line. It's not gonna be a centered line. It's gonna be an off line. A little bit more to either side. It's not gonna be straight in the middle, or at least it shouldn't, because it's kind of like an angled concept. We're gonna move on to the nostrils. So we're gonna take it a little bit inside and a little bit outside. This part tickles a little. Now doing the Cupid's bow, the sides of the nose, now we're going to go back to the eyes and we're going to draw the crease. Now we're going to do some eyelashes and then a wing liner to connect the whole thing. If you make a boo-boo like I just did, just grab some makeup remover. Now I'm going to grab the Morphe James Charles the mini palette, and I'm going to use this just because it has basically every single color. And I'm going to use this blue right here with a Morphe M124, and I'm just going to fill in the lid. Okay, now I'm going to use some white eyeliner, and I'm going to put this in the waterline and like right here. This is the Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Light Liner in the shade White Luster. So now we're going to do the lower lash line, and we're going to go a little bit under our actual lash line and bring it out. Now we're gonna grab, this is a Snow White from Ben Nye, basically white paint. This is a very thin King Art Round number 5, and I'm just going to go like right here, not in the actual lashes, but like under to connect this whole thing. Now we're gonna do the cheekbones. Now I'm going to use, this is a Kiss lip brush, and I'm going to grab this blue right here, which is like a shimmery blue, and I'm going to do like teardrops. Now with the liquid liner, once again, I told you this was the prime character of today's video. We're going to outline the teardrop. Now we're going to outline the lips. With a red matte liquid lipstick. This is at M2U NYC, and this is in the shade Queens. I'm going to fill in the lips. Now with the liquid liner, we're going to create separation. With some white paint again. Okay guys, and this is the final look. I hope that you like it. It was super easy and super simple. If you recreate it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I'll make sure to leave my Instagram handles somewhere over here. Before you go, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I upload new videos every Sunday, and with this video I conclude my Halloween October series. It was super fun. This is my favorite month of the whole year to make makeup tutorials for you, because it's when I really let loose and thrive and have so much fun creating these videos. I really enjoy myself creating these videos for you guys, so it would help me out so much if you give it a big thumbs up and leave me some comments down below to let me know your thoughts. Let me know what other videos you would like to see from me next time, and I can't wait to see you again.